Good afternoon, Luzon Spartans. This is Emmeline Bien for your afternoon update. Today is September 20, 2016. Bigyan ko lamang po kayo ng maikling update for today. Our projection for today ay nasa 5 cured with a total collection of 118,000. Sad to say, ang nagmaterialize lamang po ngayong araw ay nasa 2 cured, 2 partial payment with a total collection of 23,550. Masyadong mababa, no? Pero, ito naman po yung highlight natin for today. Ang pinakahihintay ng lahat at inaabangan na bagong endorsement with the total accounts na 292. At isa pa sa pinakaaabangan ng bawat agent every 20th of the month ay ang Commission Day! Pero, nakakalungkot dahil kailangan maghabol. Wala po tayong trivia ngayon. Huwag nang umasa dahil masakit yun. Oy. That's it for today. Again, this is Emma. Bye-bye!